AngieFitnessTV.
To the 15 minutes to fit rebounder cardio workout. All we're going to do is begin with that health bounce. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. Now I know some of us have bungee style rebounders and some of us have spring loaded rebounders. So we're all going to be bouncing at a different pace. That's why I make each exercise 1 minute. Right now, we're in that feel-good health bounce, soft bend in your knees, core nice solid tight, shoulders melted away from your ears, and we're just pressing down into that rebounder. Yeah, just swinging those arms. If you have a bar, you can be holding on to the bar. That's up to you. Each exercise is simply 1 minute. Now let's begin to circle our arms while we stay in that health bounce. We have 15 minutes of rebounder cardio. It is a feel-good cardio workout type of day. You can take the intensity up or you can take the intensity down. So within each minute, you decide how you want to push your body, right? Because once again, we have all different rebounders. Bungee and spring loaded, we all have a different bounce. So you've got to push as fast or as slow as you want to in your 60 seconds, knowing you only have 15 minutes right here. Now when you're ready, take it side to side, right here. Now we're gonna start to take that intensity up just a little. So you're going side to side, giving me that nice little twist. We wanna use those arms. You wanna get that heart rate up. Let's go. I'm gonna try to tell you how many calories I burn, but my Apple Watch is not wanting to pick up my heart rate. So if any of you can write down in the comment section below how many calories you burned, that would be great. It is a new Apple Watch too, and it's already malfunctioning. Can you believe that? Right here. Remember, you have 1 minute. Go as high or as low as you want to go. Now start moving those arms a little higher. Right here. Anytime you're on that rebounder, you're always challenging your balance because you're kind of on an unstable surface, right? You're not on the floor, which is a solid, stable surface. That rebounder, you're having to work a lot of muscles that are stability muscles for our body. I want big arm movement. Side to side. How often do you move side to side? We don't move side to side often. I have a big timer in front of me, so don't you worry. Each exercise is 60 seconds. I promise. Now start to take it out and in. Now hands can be on your hips. You can be holding onto your bar or arms out and in. Your call. Take it out, or you can take it over your head like a jack, or just shoulder height. That's right. So kind of just feel the bounce. How's it feeling for you? Go as fast or as slow as you need to go. That's right. Woo. big smile on your face. We're getting that blood pumping. It feels good to work out on our rebounder today, right? Challenging our balance.
That's right.
Come in the center.
Come on.
Now let's ski right here. Hands can be on your hips. If that's all you want to do. You want to give me more?
That's right.
You can lift those arms. That's up to you. Now if I were low impact, look at this. You're still on an unstable surface. So you're working balance, coordination, core, and you're getting your cardio in.
Come on.
So, in 1 minute, you pick and choose how high or how low you want to go. There it goes. Starting to pick up my heart rate. Woo! Yeah, I love my rebounder. All right, bounce. Right here, circle the arms. So we're going a little higher than a health bounce. A health bounce, you focus on the bounce down and your feet do not come off the rebounder. Right now, you can get your feet off the rebounder, bouncing center, and big circle arms in and out. Woo! Can't get any simpler. Your timing, your pace. You get to listen to your body. You get to go where you need to go today. This is a feel-good rebounder cardio workout. I want you to feel energized at the end of the workout. I need you to push, but not over push. Soft bend in your knees. Nice tight core. Shoulders are always melted away from your ears, right? Yeah. Woo. Let's go. All right, bounce. Out, in, bounce in the center. Out, bounce, bounce, bounce. Out, center, bounce. So, press it up, and then jump rope your arms. Press it up, jump rope your arms. Press it up, jump rope your arms. Press as the legs go out. Oh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Press, bounce, bounce, bounce. I know we're all different bounce styles. Press. Ooh. Ooh, I hit my ceiling. I have low ceiling. Ugh. Let's go. Now, side to side, right here. So you're doing that little side to side bounce, but we're wide. Now, if you want, hands stay on the hips. If not, reach. 1. So your arms are crossing the midline of your body. You're giving a little bounce. Your feet are not coming off the rebounder. Your beat. Hup. Let's go. Working core, working a little bit of spinal rotation because you have to turn. Soft bend in your knees. Do not lock out the knees. You never want to be in knee extension, like ever. Come on. Cross the midline of your body. Cross the midline of your body. So you're reaching to the front. Diagonal corners. All right, give me right knees. Hup. Balance right here. This is cardio. Now if you have a bar, hold on to your bar. Come on. Soft bend in the stabilizing knee. Now when this knee, left leg gets tired, you're just gonna bounce. And then when you're ready, you're gonna come back. So the bounce is kind of like the active recovery. Tons of work on the stabilizing leg that's holding you down. Come on. Go as fast or as slow as you want, right? You do not have to stick to the beat. I only have the music here because I like to work out to music. Now bounce. Wave your left hand. Are you ready? Left knee up, right leg stabilizes. 1 minute. One side may be easier than the other. Hold on to the bar. If you have a bar in front of you, hold on to the bar. If not, challenge your balance, coordination, and core. Use the arms right here. Hup. Woo, how's that right leg doing? Burning? Yeah, major, calf, hamstring, quad, glute, inner and outer thigh activation because you're on an unstable surface. Core is always engaged. Has to be or you'd fall over on this unstable surface. Come on. Hup. Give me knees, center. 1 minute. You can go faster with the knees, hands on your hips, or running mat. So, your goal, I don't even know that I'm gonna do it. Bring your knees up to belly button height. Now low impact, hold on to the bar, right here. Major work right here, even while keeping the entire workout, low impact, and holding onto your bar. So, if I teach you nothing else, I teach you to modify according to your body. Listen to your body. Go where you need to go for your body. See my body? I live with my body only. I listen to it. Oh yeah, from the side. 4, 3, bounce into center. I don't care how you bounce. Kick your heel to your butt. You do not keep a beat, just kick your heel to the butt. That unstable surface right here is engaging and grabbing that core. Yeah? If you don't believe me, do these exercises on a stable floor, on the floor, and then do them on the rebounder. You're gonna feel a difference in the muscles that grab. Now, you want more? You can add a little hop. Depends on how big or how little your rebounder is, right? Woo, I was on my frame. It was teeter-tottering. So watch your foot placement. Let's go. All right, bounce. Right foot is to the front. Jab, cross. Jab, cross, bounce, bounce. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross, bounce. Jab, cross, bounce. So I don't care how fast, say jab, cross, bounce. Jab, cross, bounce. However quick or however slow. Or if you don't like the jab, cross, just bounce. So if I had a bar, I would hold on to the bar and bounce. Jab, cross, bounce. So you gotta get that cross coming from the back. Say jab, cross, bounce. When you land, soft bend in the knees, engage that core, bounce center. Left foot in front, just come front back. So left jab, right cross, and a bounce. However quick or slow, you're gonna go with it. You ready? Go. Jab, cross, bounce. So when you bounce, try to get both arms up, punch both arms to the ceiling. So say jab, cross, bounce. Jab, cross, bounce. Try to get your feet off the rebounder if that feels good to you. Last time. Balance center. Good job. All right. That was it. We're going to do some range of motion and a little bit of flexibility. I said this is 15 minutes to fit. If you need to leave, let that heart rate come down. Stretch on your own. This is extra bonus time to stretch. I give you 3 minutes extra bonus time. What do you think? Each exercise was 1 minute. You got to go as fast or as slow as you wanted. I challenged your balance, your coordination, your proprioception, other arm. We work core. We work tons of stabilizing muscles and through our ankles, hips, knees, adductors, abductors, a lot of work. This is a great workout. So anytime you need to hold onto your bar, absolutely. Anytime you need to take the move down, absolutely. Right? So you can do this workout as much as you want. One day you could kick it up high intensity. The next day you can keep it low intensity. That's the beauty of these workouts. Reach. Go slow. Let's work on that range of motion. Woo. Just reach. Side lunge and reach. Yeah. Hold it on the left. Right arm up and over. Right here. Eyes gazing to the ceiling. Great quick workout on the rebounder. Other side, left fingertips up. Right hand on top of the right thigh. Ooh, my ankles are shaking because they're having to balance here. So even stretching on the rebounder is phenomenal balance work. Hold on to the bar whenever you need to. All right, you stay wide, interlace your fingers. Chest expansion. Great workout today, guys. It's very quick, short, and simple. I'm gonna have about 25 to 30, 15 minutes to fit workouts. Each video is 100% different. Feel free to mix and match. Let's get a shoulder stretch. Do not grab the elbow joint itself. Grab on top or below. Nice tricep stretch. Even though we didn't do tricep, we still gotta stretch our body, right? Let's get that other shoulder really quick. I'm so glad you're loving these 15 minutes fit series. Nice tricep stretch. I always give that 3-minute extra bonus stretch. Deep breath in. And exhale one more time. Deep breath in. And from what I recorded, I burned 130 calories. But you gotta remember, this didn't come on all the way. AngieFitnessTV. See you for our next 15 minutes to fit workout. All the videos are in the playlist below.
AngieFitnessTV.